Hello, sweeties. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ram Queen. I'll be showing you how I prepare this easy and colorful salad for lunch. So, guys, for my recipe, I have 2 lettuce, 3 tomatoes, half a cucumber, 1 chicken breast, and some prawns. So, I'm going to start by chopping the lettuce. I'll be peeling and cutting the cucumber into circles. Now that I've finished cutting the cucumber, I'm also going to go ahead and cut the tomatoes. You can cut it in whatever shape that you wish to. At this point, I'm going to be cooking the chicken with garlic, herbs, sriracha, and ginger. I will now stir and cover to cook for 10 minutes. So this is it. It's ready. I'm just going to chop the chicken and mix it with the prawns inside the salad. Guys, we have all the protein we need from the chicken and we have all the nutrients we need from the vegetables. Try this recipe. You will lose that weight. You know that weight that you'll be struggling with. Try it. Within 1 week, you will lose at least not less than 3 kilo. Guys, try it, to be honest, and it's tasty as well. You don't need to punish yourself in this aspect, so you're going to enjoy it and also lose weight at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do now. Enjoy this lovely and colorful salad for lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.